kids. Today we will know action word or cooking verbs using in a kitchen. To peel, the object of peeling is to remove unwanted or inedible material from vegetable raw materials. To boil, the cooking of food by immersion in water that has been heated to near its boiling point. To grate, to rub food against a grater in order to cut it into a lot of small pieces. To chop, this is a general method for cutting food into bite-sized pieces. To fry, the cooking of food in hot fats or oil, usually done with a shallow oil bath in a pan over a fire. To bake, to cook by dry heat, especially in an oven. Thanks for watching this video.